Welcome, my name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own foaming booster at home. And so if you're new to this channel, I suggest you hit the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Well, people have always complained of the unavailability of foaming booster in their area and have always called me to ask me if there's any other name for foaming booster. Well, in this video, we will attempt to show you how you can produce your own foaming booster from just two materials. Now, before we go into the proper mixing of the chemicals, take note of the following precautions. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now, foaming booster can be made from the following material. These are sulfonic acid and sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 250 ml of foaming booster. Sulfonic acid 200 ml, SLS 4 tablespoons. Now these are the materials. This is sulfonic acid and this is sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. Now measure about 200 ml of sulfonic acid into a beaker or a container and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of SLS into the sulfonic acid. Now stir the solution until all the white SLS particles dissolves in the sulfonic acid. Now keep stirring until the thick dark color of the sulfonic acid disappears and the final solution becomes transparent. Please note that the dissolution of SLS in sulfonic acid takes quite some time, but you can facilitate the dissolution by adding a small quantity of water into the solution. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our final solution and it is called foaming booster. Now, when making your liquid soap, for every 10 to 15 liters of liquid soap you want to make, you can add half a liter of this solution, which is foaming booster, to it. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRT. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.